How to block all incoming calls on iPhone. Hey everyone, if you're tired of calls interrupting your day all day long, then you're in the right place. Let's dive right in. First, open your settings app and then go to the focus section. After you find focus, go ahead and click on it. Then tap on Do Not Disturb. This is where the magic happens. Once you're in Do Not Disturb, look for the People section. Now open it and you'll see Allow Calls From. Click on it and you can either choose the settings to Favorites, Contacts Only, or Everyone. So here you can either choose your favorites, which you can choose from your contact list that you want to receive call from, or from allowed people only and select the people that you want to receive call from. Then on the top you can see two options, allow notifications from and silent notifications from. So if you want to completely silent your notifications, you can choose silent notifications from and tick on it. So after that, to activate this feature, what you have to do is you have to swipe down a notification bar and tap on the Do Not Disturb icon and turn it on. And that's it. You're all set to enjoy some peace and quiet. If you find this video helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe to our channel. And thanks for watching.